Did you know a man survived enough poison to kill 10 people, then came back from the dead to attack his killer? In December 1916, the Russian royal family was under the spell of a mad monk named Grigory Rasputin. His terrifying influence over Tsar Nicholas II had nobles plotting his death. Prince Felix Yusupov invited Rasputin to his palace for what seemed like a normal evening, but the cakes and wine were laced with massive amounts of cyanide. Rasputin ate everything and remained completely unharmed. Panicking, Yusupov shot him in the chest at point-blank range. The monk collapsed, apparently dead. But when Yusupov returned, Rasputin's eyes snapped open. He lunged at his killer with supernatural fury. The conspirators beat him with clubs and chains until he stopped moving. They shot him again and threw his body into the frozen river. The autopsy revealed water in his lungs. Rasputin had still been alive, struggling under the ice.